Apollo is a humanoid robot developed by Uptronic, designed to bring advanced mobility and manipulation capabilities to a wide range of applications. Standing about 5 feet 8 inches tall, Apollo combines strength, agility, and intelligence to operate in human environments and perform complex tasks. The robot features a modular design with powerful electric actuators enabling smooth, human-like joint movements. Apollo's hardware incorporates lightweight yet durable materials such as carbon fiber composites and aluminum alloys, balancing strength with agility. Its sensor suite includes high-resolution cameras, force sensors, and inertial measurement units that provide detailed real-time data about the environment and the robot's state. These inputs feed into Apollo's onboard computer, running sophisticated AI algorithms for perception, planning, and control. The AI integrates vision processing and sensor fusion to enable Apollo to recognize objects, navigate cluttered spaces, and manipulate tools with precision. Uptronic's software emphasizes adaptability, allowing Apollo to learn new tasks and optimize performance over time. Apollo can walk at speeds up to 5 miles per hour and carry payloads exceeding 40 pounds, making it suitable for industrial, commercial, and research environments. The robot's power system includes high-capacity batteries designed for extended operation and fast recharging cycles. Assembly involves careful integration of actuators, sensors, and computing hardware with rigorous calibration to ensure coordinated motion and safety. Uptronic conducts extensive testing to validate Apollo's durability, reliability, and safety, including stress tests, environmental exposure, and functional evaluations. Apollo's modular design enables customization for specialized tasks such as assembly line work, logistics support, or assistance in healthcare settings. The robot's humanoid form and intuitive controls facilitate seamless integration into human-centric workplaces, using standard tools and interfaces. Uptronic envisions Apollo as a collaborative partner that enhances human productivity and safety by automating repetitive and physically demanding tasks. Future developments focus on improving AI autonomy, enhancing human-robot interaction through natural language processing and gesture recognition, and expanding capabilities through modular hardware upgrades. Apollo represents a significant advancement in humanoid robotics, showcasing how intelligent machines can augment human labor and transform diverse industries.